2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.